a matter of weeks to be able to be undertaking these things. I think our statement is very clear. We are looking at peaceful marches, peaceful demonstrations, stairways, anything that would show the power of the rejection by the people of Zimbabwe. We are aware of what they want to do, which is now they are preparing their machinery to arrest people, to kill people, to beat up people. We are not afraid of anything. So let that be very clear. What we know will happen is that we will succeed. They will be stopped. You can have that signature by the president, but it will not mean he can be in office beyond 2028. That message must go to him. His signature alone cannot buy him space in the office. And that is what will happen. It is the people that can only give you that space. So it's a very short space of time. Only that we cannot announce dates here, but it should be clear that very, very short space of time we should be having action.